Mr. Smithers, that moose is on fire.
Fine, good. I don't care anymore. I'm the last one here. You kids cost me my job. You ain't last, Mr. Smithers. Thank goodness.
Yeah, Burnsy and Homer never made it.
Mr. Burns is still out there?
What about our dad?
206 bones, 50 miles of small intestine, full pouting lips. Why, this fellow is less a snowman than a god. Well, we've managed to stave off cabin fever for a few hours. I think we should dress the snowman.
Agreed.
Look at them, smug and secure in their finery, mocking us.
They're just snowmen, Mr. Burns.
Snowmen have peepers. Peepers to watch. To watch for a moment of weakness, and then baff comes the knock on the head, and we're down.
What do we do?
Oh, wouldn't you like to know?
Hey, what is going on here? Who are you people? This is a lookout post. Where is Ranger McFadden?
I was just happy to see so many nice people.
Quiet, you drunk. Where is Ranger McFadden?
Right here, sir, right behind the drunk.
Wait a minute. If this is a ranger station, we must be in the wrong place.
Well, the only other cabin is right over there. Huh.
Look at all these avalanches. Do you think they could have buried the cabin?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. They didn't come here for the Mountain Music Festival. March 14th to 18th.